Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to a realm where the most audacious entrepreneurs dare to tread. Today, we're diving headfirst into the intriguing concept of lose money to make money. Many of you may have heard the age-old adage, you have to spend money to make money. But what if I told you there's a daring twist to that idea? What if I revealed that sometimes you have to lose money to make even more? Yes, my friends, today we embark on a thrilling journey into the world of calculated risks, innovative strategies, and ultimately financial success. But before we uncover the secrets, let's get something straight. This isn't about blindly throwing money away. This is about calculated risks, strategic investments, and venturing into uncharted territories where others fear to tread. So buckle up, because we're about to discover how the art of losing money can be the key to unlocking vast fortunes. Let's dive into the first concept, leveraging loss for long-term gains. You see, in the realm of investments, sometimes setbacks can pave the way to massive success. The art lies in identifying opportunities within adversity. Take the stock market, for example. Savvy investors know that during a market downturn, fortunes can be made by purchasing undervalued assets. By temporarily losing money, they position themselves to ride the wave of recovery and make tremendous profits. But it's not just about the stock market. Entrepreneurs across industries have mastered the art of calculated losses. They understand that innovation often requires taking risks, which may lead to initial financial setbacks. However, these visionary leaders recognize that such investments in research, development, and disruptive technologies can yield groundbreaking breakthroughs that revolutionize industries and, ultimately, bring exponential returns. Now, let's explore the concept of fail fast, fail forward. In the pursuit of success, failure is not only inevitable, but often necessary. Instead of fearing failure, these daring individuals embrace it as a stepping stone on their path to greatness. They understand that losing money in the short term can provide invaluable lessons, refine their strategies, and set the stage for greater achievements in the future. The key is to fail fast, fail forward, by quickly identifying what doesn't work, adjusting your course, and persistently pushing forward, you can transform losses into valuable experiences that propel you closer to your ultimate goals. When it comes to personal development, losing money might seem counterintuitive. After all, we're often told to save, invest wisely, and avoid unnecessary expenses. But what if I told you that investing in yourself, even if it means incurring temporary financial losses, can be the most rewarding investment of all? Think about it. By acquiring new skills, expanding your knowledge, and investing in your personal growth, you're equipping yourself with the tools necessary to seize opportunities and unlock your true potential. Sometimes this involves spending money on education, workshops, mentorship programs, or even starting your own business. But why does this work? Well, investing in yourself is an investment in your future capabilities and earning potential. It's about acquiring expertise that sets you apart from the competition, positioning you as a sought-after professional or entrepreneur. Moreover, investing in yourself fosters confidence and resilience. It instills a mindset of continuous learning and adaptability, enabling you to navigate changing landscapes and thrive in an ever-evolving world. By challenging yourself and taking calculated risks, even if they result in temporary financial setbacks, you're cultivating the skills and mindset needed to bounce back stronger and achieve greater success. So, my friends, here's the crux of it all. Losing money to make money isn't about blind gambling or careless spending. It's about seeing losses as opportunities, failures as stepping stones, and setbacks as catalysts for growth. Remember, the road to success is rarely a straight line. It's filled with twists, turns, and moments where you may lose sight of the destination. But those who dare to lose money in pursuit of their dreams are the ones who emerge victorious in the end. Today, we embarked on an exhilarating journey into the world of lose money to make money. We explored leveraging losses for long-term gains, the power of failing fast and failing forward, and the transformative impact of investing in yourself. Now, armed with these insights, you have the knowledge and inspiration to embark on your own path of audacious success. Thank you for joining me on this captivating adventure. Remember, greatness awaits those who dare to lose money to make money. Stay bold, stay curious, and I'll see you on the other side of extraordinary. Until next time, bye.